Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. I, teacher of science from EP6 system, welcoming you all to the EP6 online support program, week 15, class 7. Today we are going to discuss the textbook New Secondary Science by David Copper, page number 38 to 40. Chapter which we are going to discuss is the periodic table. The topic is the periodic table. The sources required is your textbook, mobile, laptop, PC or any other gadget that you are using to see the video, or your notebooks to note down some important points. Introduction to the lesson. To introduce the periodic table as a way of classifying elements in different groups. Quote of the day. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Once the time passes, it will not turn back. Let's start the topic. We are going to discuss chapter 3, the periodic table. The topic is the periodic table. This is a picture of periodic table. You can see on your screen as well. Moving forward, start with the previous knowledge that you have already discussed in your previous classes as well. All the elements or substances present on Earth made up of small particles called atom. There are more than 100 elements present on Earth that are arranged in periodic table. In further slides, we will discuss all the elements or few of the elements from the periodic table, and each and every element is a mixture or is a combination of atoms. Let's start the fresh topic, that is the periodic table. The periodic table displays 118 elements in order of their atomic numbers, means starting from 1 till 118. The table has several horizontal rows called periods arranged on the top of each other. As a result, elements with similar properties are arranged in vertical columns called group. In this video, we will discuss the vertical columns group of periodic table. This is the picture of periodic table. We are going to discuss the vertical groups. Vertical from top to bottom. They are having the same properties. Now, how the groups divided? The vertical column in periodic table called groups. Elements within each group share similar properties. There are total 7 groups. The groups of number is same as the number of electrons in outermost shell. Means if the outermost shell is having 1 electron, the element placed in group 1. If they having 2 electrons, then the element placed in group 2. This is the picture of the groups from lithium till francium. This is group 1. From beryllium till radium. This is group 2. From scandium till technetium. This is group 3. These are all groups. Groups are classified into 7 groups ranging from group 1 to group 7. Group 1. Alkali metals. The elements in group 1 are called alkali metals. All alkali metals have 1 electron in their outer shell. In this picture, you can easily see the alkali metals: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, calcium, francium. Moving forward, group 2. Alkaline earth metals. The elements in group 2 are called the alkaline earth metals. All elements of this group have two electrons in their outer shell. That's why they place in group 2. In this picture, you can see the examples of element present in group 2: magnesium, beryllium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Group 3. On the right hand side of the periodic table, group 3 includes elements which have 3 electrons in their outer shell. The examples are boron and aluminium. Group 4, also known as carbon family, all the elements in this group have 4 electrons in the outermost shell, carbon. The first picture is of diamond, and diamond is made up of carbon. Second is silicon. Moving forward, group 5, also known as nitrogen family. All the elements have 5 electrons in their outermost shell in nitrogen family, means the last shell contains 5 electrons. The examples are nitrogen and arsenic. Group 6. Oxygen and sulfur are the main elements of group 6. Oxygen is present in all around us that help us to breathe. All elements of this group have 6 electrons in their outermost shell. That's why they are placed in group 6. The examples are sulfur and selenium. Group 7, also known as halogens. These are reactive elements because their atoms have one empty space in their outer shell. Halogens are colored gases and very poisonous. The examples are bromine and iodine. They both are poisonous gases. Now we are going to discuss about group 8. This is a special group in the periodic table. The most famous group in the periodic table is group 8, the noble gases. Why they are special? Because they do not react. They don't react with any other element because outer electron shells are completely full. They don't have any space in their last shell. That's why they will not show any kind of reaction with any other elements. That's why they are placed in group 8. Now, the task that you have to perform at your home. Read the page number 38 till 40. This will help you out in understanding the concept, and you will get to know about the periodic table more thoroughly. At last, the thought of the day. Success doesn't just find you. You have to go out and get it. If you don't work hard, the success will not come to you. You have to work hard to get success. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.